Hello mga kuya, mga ate. Nanood po kami ngayon ng basketball. Ginebra. Converts 98 to 96 overtime. Habang umiinom kami ng Red Horse with Fundador. Meron kaming adobo kaming baboy, gelatin, pansit, meron kaming Big Mac, meron kaming may sabaw na kalabaw. Habang nanonood, relax lang. Ayan, relax, ayan, habang nanonood kami, nag-relax. Wow!
Garcia, De Los Santos, Carrillo, Concepcion, and Baltazar.
Nag-relax kami habang nanood ng Ginebra vs. Converts. Live from Pilipinas Live. Ayan na. Inbound.
Conference on the line here. If you're Converge, you cannot give up a foul.
Labas ni Rosario ngayon. Ayan. Bibigay kay Hold. Ayan na. Hold. Kay Amarentos, bigay kay Hold. Ayan, tira. Tira mo. Pumasok. Yay! Pumasok! Yay! Hey! Woo! Pumasok! Yay! Pumasok din. Ayan, Ang galing. Yeah! Ayan sila, Ang galing na talaga ni Hold, Ayan, Wow!
No Jason David. No John
Wow!
No Scotty Thompson. No problem for Barangay Ginebra. Stephen Holt saves the day.
Galing ni Hold. Ayan.
Good position. We talked about taking the opportunity at that time.
Wow! Habang nag-relax, talaga manood, Ayan, iyak. Ayan, si Juan. Di pa tapos. Wow! Galing! Habang relax, Wow! Galing talaga.
Just a couple of mistakes. Allow Barangay Ginebra to hang on.
Galing talaga ni Hold, Yan,
Ganda ng agang pasa niya,
Ayan, Wow, ayan, wala. Replay, ban! Wow! Isa pa.
And if you look at this game, Carlo, seemed like almost every player had time to shine.
Wow! Happy New Year! Bye!